Are you stuck on the iPhone unavailable screen? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Hello friends. In this video, we'll guide you through 4 solutions to regain access to your device. Stay tuned till the end, so let's get started. Before troubleshooting, you should be the device's owner and remember your Apple ID and password. First easy solution is create a new passcode using the old passcode. This guidance is for users who have recently changed their device passcode. If you are one of them, let's follow these steps. According to Apple, there is a requirement that your previous passcode must be no older than 72 hours to bypass the iPhone unavailable screen and set a new passcode. So, after multiple wrong passcode attempts, you get the iPhone unavailable screen. Now, if your device is running iOS 17 or later, you can see 2 options, Emergency and the Forgot Passcode option. Tapping on the Forget Passcode button at the bottom right corner will cause 2 options to appear on your device screen. Enter your previous passcode and iPhone reset. So guys, I'm now tapping the Enter Previous Passcode button. Because I recently changed my iPhone Lock Screen Passcode, I can still use my old password to create a new passcode. Enter your previous passcode. So guys, you can see what Apple says on my screen for the next 72 hours. If you forget your new passcode, you can use your previous passcode to reset it. Then enter your new passcode. In addition, you can choose passcode options, for example, 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, and custom alphanumeric code. Select any option and then enter your new passcode. Your iPhone passcode should not be easily guessed by others. After that, enter and verify the new passcode. Now, you can easily unlock your iPhone with the new passcode. Hence, the problem is solved. If you don't remember your old passcodes, follow the second solutions to unlock your iPhone. Be aware that any method involving erasing the device will result in data loss unless you have a backup. The second solution is iPhone reset. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet connection and you have a recent backup of your device. If you're on iOS 16 or earlier, contact your network provider for a QR code to set up your SIM before proceeding. Let's follow the steps. On my iPhone lock screen, I am entering my device passcode multiple times until the Forget Passcode message appear on my iPhone screen. After that, tap on Start iPhone Reset. Here, I need to enter my Apple ID password to sign out of my Apple ID. A pop-up appears on the confirmation screen which says, "Erasing all data will erase all media, content, eSIM, and settings from your iPhone." You can choose either keep a SIM and erase data or delete a SIM and erase data. Select any one option and wait for the reset process to finish. Once your identity is verified, your iPhone will be restored to factory settings and you can set it up again like a brand new iPhone. The third solution is to use a computer to restore your iPhone. To restore your locked iPhone, you need a Mac or Windows computer or restore from iCloud Backup. If you have macOS Mojave or earlier or a Windows PC, you need to use iTunes. In my case, I have a Mac computer, so I'm doing the entire process on my Mac machine. Now, I'm connecting my iPhone to my Mac computer using the USB-C cable. Then, launch the Finder app from the dock. After that, the phone does not show under the location section in the Finder menu, so I need to put my iPhone into recovery mode. For that, I press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and press and continue holding the side power button until the restore screen on my iPhone appears. Please don't disconnect the iPhone from the computer. In the Finder window, go to the Location section on the left side panel and select My iPhone device. If your device is not showing in Finder, then read my guide given above and video description below. Then, confirm the restore process. This process downloads and installs new iOS versions on iPhones. It may take 15 minutes or more to finish, so wait until the process is completed. After completing the restore process on my iPhone, you can see the setup screen available. Follow the on-screen instructions and restore the iPhone from the backup. That's it. Next, go to case number 4. Fourth solution is to erase iPhone using Find My feature. In this case, I am going to erase my iPhone using the Find My website on my Mac PC. Alternatively, you can follow the same steps on another iPhone. Follow the steps one by one first. I am launching the Safari browser. The website link is given in the video description. iCloud.com/findNext. Click the Sign In button, then select Sign In with your password or passkey. Here, I am selecting the Sign In with Password option. After a successful login, you can see the All Devices section. Here, I am selecting my iPhone from the list. Then, click on Erase this device. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to erase your iPhone. That's it. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. In the comment section below, let me know which solution was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.